Le supongo también al tanto de la política española. ¿Cómo ve la situación de nuestro país?
The rise of Vox worries me immensely. In the same way that the rise of ultra-right-wing racists worries me wherever I see it, whether it is in Hungary, in Germany, in Greece, in Brazil, in India. But it is inevitable. It was always going to be the case that when you have deflationary forces, when you have increases in the sense of humiliation, people feeling like they are refugees in their own towns, it's so very easy for our democracies to be poisoned. And I very much fear that a government which I find quite amenable, I'm close sentimentally to Podemos, to Sanchez and so on. Nevertheless, because they were constrained by the policy of socialists for the very, very few, socialism for the very, very few, and austerity for the very many, effectively they were presiding over this humiliation of the many, which is always going to reinforce fascists or neo-fascists or racists. Vox is a good example.
Yanis Varoufakis, le doy las gracias por haber atendido al intermedio. Muchas gracias.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.